The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Orta College of Medicine and Health Science graduates 391 students. Encouragement to outstanding students in Southern Red Sea. India and Maldives boost ties during Modi visit. And Peru, at least 18 killed as bus plunged into a raven. On our local news, Orta College of Medicine and Health Science in its fourth commencement has conferred today postgraduate first degree and diplomas to 391 graduates, including 55% female graduates. The field of studies for the postgraduate medicine includes clinical medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, general surgery, internal medicine and pediatrics, and child health. The field of study for the first degree and diploma programs include doctors of medicine, pharmacy, pharmacy technicians, clinical laboratory science, medical laboratory, dental technicians, radiology, adult health, nursing, anesthesia, emergency and critical care, midwifery and ophthalmic nursing, comprehensive nursing, and environmental health. Dr. Yamanis Hume, Dean of the college, said that the graduates will have significant impact in reducing the huge expenses in medical training, improving quality of care rendering to the society. Overall fills the existing gap of healthcare professionals and healthcare expenses. Dr. Imana also said that all the academic activities are carried out by a total of 90 faculty members. Of this, 50 are Eritreans and 20 foreign professionals. He went on to say that during the academic year, the total of 12 faculty members of Orta College of Medicine and Health Science are pursuing their postgraduate studies inside the country and abroad. In her keynote address, Ms. Amina Nur Hussein, Minister of Health, underlining that the result of the substantial investment made by the government in all sectors, encouraging achievements are being registered in health sector. She also called on the graduates to play due part in realizing the roadmap of the health sector. Representative of the graduates on his part indicating contribution of youth that are graduating every year in various professionals and development of health facilities, expressing readiness to serve the people with commitment. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the Southern Red Sea region has encouraged 62 outstanding students that registered passing mark for degree and diploma programs in the National School Leaving Examination of 2024-2025 academic year. Noting that the union branch is making commendable effort to enhance the teaching and learning process in junior and secondary schools, Mr. Osman Abdelkader, head of the union branch in the region, said that the encouragement are being made for the first time is part of that. Mr. Khalil Osman, head of the education office in the region, commending the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students for encouraging the outstanding students and called for its continuity. Ambassador Mohammed Said Mantai, governor of the region, said that encouraging outstanding students will have significant contribution in motivating fellow students and called on others to strengthen participation and contribution for the sustainability of the program. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students provides FIEMA Award to outstanding students that register high points in the 8th grade national examination. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. India and Maldives have agreed to boost bilateral ties during the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's two-day visit to the island nation, with South Asian neighboring signing 8 agreements on Friday. Among the key agreements is the $565 million credit line for New Delhi to the debt-ridden island nation. This will be used for the project linked to infrastructure development in line with priorities of Maldivian people, Modi said. The country have also launched talks for a free trade agreement. In addition, the network-level agreement also concluded to bring India's flagship real-time payment system, Unified Payments interface, to aid financial connectivity in the Maldives. The fall also diplomatic row between the two nations after Muzu won the 2023 election and demanded the withdrawal of Indian troops from Maldives, calling India a bully. Now, last report. At least 18 people have been killed after a bus plunging into a gorge in the Peruvian Andes, health officials have said. The bus, which landed on its roof next to a river, was carrying more than 60 people from the capital Lima to the jungle city of La Merced when it veered off the winding, narrow road, local media reported. So far, we have recorded 18 fatalities from the accident, a spokesperson from the health service of central city of Tarma said. Tarma is roughly 240 kilometers east of Lima. Initial reports put the death toll at 15, with 30 injured, but 3 victims died after being taken to a hospital. 2 children were also among the dead. Emergency team were at the scene of the incident. The cause of the crash has not been identified yet. Road accidents are a common occurrence in South America's country due to the combination of speeding and poor road conditions. Police recorded a total of 3,173 traffic-related deaths last year. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Orta College of Medicine and Health Science graduates 391 students. Encouragement to outstanding students in Southern Brazil. India and Maldives boost ties during Modi visit. At least 18 killed as bus plunged into a river in Peru. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching.